Many people are facing a problem where the Instagram app is not working even though their internet connection is fine. The feed is not loading, reels are not playing and nothing show up in the app. If this is happening to you, don't worry. There are a few easy ways to fix it. First, open Play Store and search for Instagram. Check if there is any update available. If yes, update the app. Sometimes the problem happens because the app is outdated. Then second, find Instagram app. Then long press Instagram app. Click F info. Then click storage. Now click clear cache. If you know your Instagram password, you also tap clear data. This can fix many issues. After that, if the problem is still not fixed, open Instagram, go to profile, then tap 3 lines. Then go to help and select report a technical problem. Then click report a problem. Click include and continue. Write a short message like Instagram not working but my internet is fine. Sometimes the issue is from Instagram server and it will fix automatically. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.